going to start the birthday off with Ellie and Lucy Sheebley, who are celebrating, well, let me take that back. On the left is Ellie. Ellie is celebrating her 14th birthday today. Now, Lucy is her twin sister. But you see, Lucy will celebrate her birthday tomorrow.
What?
Yes. Ellie and Lucy, twin sisters, born technically on different days of the calendar. So, can we do, Will, can you do me a favor? I want to lead with this birthday again tomorrow. Because I'm going to celebrate Ellie right now. I'm going to celebrate Ellie and Lucy together. But I want Lucy to have her own day too. I want Lucy to have her own day tomorrow. Excuse me. And that's a gorgeous picture that was taken at Pittsburgh State during the Mid-America Music Festival. So Ellie, happy birthday to you. Lucy, early happy birthday to you. And I'm going to feature you again tomorrow morning.
All right, well, next we have Jeremiah Bolt turning 17 years old. Jeremiah, you have love from your whole family, and Jeremiah is out of Chanute.
Winter Jacobs is turning 23. Never seen the name spelled like that. Winter, I think that's absolutely gorgeous. And not only happy birthday from us, but also congratulations, as Winter is a recent graduate from Pittsburgh State.
Next we have Oren Humble turning 43, and Oren is out of Pittsburgh. And
I like that t-shirt, Oren.
yeah.
I'm down with that. It's our good friend Mike Bima celebrating the big 5-0. Mike, a very happy birthday. He's in Mountain Valley.
We have Brian Natalini turning 59. Brian's out of Columbus, and he's also the owner of the Napa store in Columbus.
What is up, Brian?
I don't know if you're going to be there today, but if you guys go to the Napa store, be sure to wish him a happy birthday.
Knowing that dude, he'll be there. He'll be there. Brian, happy birthday, my man. Bob Owen is celebrating his 80th birthday in Chanute. And I want to tell you a little bit about this picture. This is taken back in 1967 in Mr. Owen's kitchen right there. And here we are with Bob celebrating his 80th birthday. I bet he can strike that same pose and look as good as he does right there. Bob, a very happy birthday to you from all of us here at KOAN.
We have an anniversary. We have Brett and Brianna Thornton. They are celebrating their 10th anniversary, and they are out of Thayer.
Maybe we can get the Thorntons to take us to Big Ed's. Have you ever been to Big Ed's?
I don't know what that is.
Scott and Brett and Brianna. Bronte has never been to Big Ed's. We need to remedy that situation. And so if you guys are having an anniversary party there, let us know.
Yeah, we'll show up.
James and Robin Zorns, they are also celebrating their 10th anniversary. Congratulations to the Zorns family in Riverton, and that is Brooklyn and Jackson. They're two wonderful kids that are a part of their anniversary picture. Congratulations, James and Robin.
All right, we have Justin and Sarah Hancock. They're celebrating their 15th anniversary, and they are out of Sheldon, Missouri.
That's where Justin puts the rest of us to shame. When you roll into your wedding and you're looking that dapper.
I know.
That's not fair, man. It's not fair. Congratulations, Justin and Sarah. Cheryl Simpson, a very happy birthday in Weir. And the Kellermans, Milo and Janice, as they celebrate their 49th anniversary. If Milo's name looks familiar, you have probably seen him recognized as one of our 4 state heroes. A very happy birthday and happy anniversary to